What's up, Soldier Barber Life here. Today going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the all new self-cut system Angel Lights 360 mirror. So first off, just want to talk about self-cut system. Self-cut system has been dropping these self-cut mirrors for quite a bit of time now. They have all different styles of mirrors, but most of the ones that you have before are your over-the-door style mirrors that have like anchors on it. So this one right here, the new Angel Lights, is definitely revolutionary because this is the first of its kind, whereas all the other mirrors you have to have a door or mount it on something, whereas this light here uses a tripod. And it's very innovative, and the quality of this light is definitely justifiable with the price. The build quality on this mirror is also great. It is heavy duty, sturdy, and also the mirrors on it are very clear. And the big bonus is that you get the 360 lighting all the way around the mirror, so you can definitely see wherever it is on your haircut, and then that light on there is adjustable. This box does come with the tripod, and it also has a tray and a charger for this as well. The biggest difference on this and any other mirror that may be out there is the ability to put it on a tripod and take it wherever you want to go wirelessly. So let's go ahead and set up this tripod. The unique thing about this tripod is that it is adjustable up to 7 feet tall, which means that for most of the people that are giving themselves a self-cut, you will be able to adjust this to whatever height that you need, and wherever it is that you may go, you can adjust that and put it wherever you need to with this tripod. Makes it very mobile and gives you the ability to cut your hair anywhere that you may see fit. So on the mirror itself, at the bottom there is a hole, and you just put that on the mounting piece of the tripod and just push down on that to lock it into place. It is also a little tab on there that is the anchor that pretty much will hold this in place, and then from there you will tighten up the set screw on the side to lock that in and keep that from moving. So one important thing to consider when you are adding the tray onto the tripod is to make sure you adjust it to where the skinniest part is exposed up top, because that's the only place that the tray will be able to lock in around it. Now I'm going to show you how to charge your mirror. On the back side of the mirror there is a USB Type-C hole there, and that's where you will plug in the part to your cord into the back of there, and then plug that up into the wall. You will have a little red light that'll blink, that'll indicate that the mirror is charging. This mirror does give you 3 hours of runtime, so that is plenty of time to do multiple haircuts before you even need to recharge this thing. Another huge bonus to this Angel Lights mirror is the tray that goes on the tripod. You can put all your tools that you are going to need for your self-cut on this tray and have all those readily accessible to you for you to do your haircut. That way you don't have to go back and forth between your barber station or a table, your bathroom counter, wherever it is that you are doing your self-cut. You can set all your tools right there in front of you and go about your cut as you see fit.